Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a quick easy biryani which has a strong flavor of green chilies and it's got its name from the city it was originated in, Muradabad. So let's see how to make the Muradabadi biryani. Here I have a kilo of chicken which I'm going to marinate with green chilies that I have crushed. These are about 10 green chilies. I'm going to add another 7 to 8 slit green chilies, 3 bay leaves, 3 inches of cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 1 mace, 2 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 8 cloves and about 10 peppercorns. Let's add a heaped tablespoon of ginger paste, a heaped tablespoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, a tablespoon of garam masala powder, a cup of yogurt, and 2 tomatoes that I have roughly chopped here, and some salt to taste. Let's mix this well. Let's keep this aside for at least half an hour while we fry our onions. Let's heat 1/4 cup of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add 5 onions sliced and fry them till they are nice golden brown. As you can see, the onions have caramelized beautifully and they've got a beautiful golden color as well. I'm going to add the marinated chicken now. And I'm going to sear the meat for 5 minutes on a high flame. It's smelling absolutely divine and it's looking so colorful. You can see the color of the meat has changed. Let's reduce the flame to a medium and now cover this and cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes. We've cooked the chicken for 5 minutes. And now we are going to add 750 grams of basmati rice which I had soaked for almost an hour. I'm going to cover the meat with the rice. One and a half liter of water to this. Stir this slightly. Just gently try and mix all the flavors. We're going to cover this and cook it on a medium flame for about 15 minutes till the rice is just 80% done. Let's take a look at how the biryani is doing after 15 minutes of cooking it. The rice looks almost done. Let's sprinkle half a teaspoon of garam masala. Let's sprinkle a teaspoon of fennel seed powder. A tablespoon of ghee, let's just drizzle this. Some saffron water. A tablespoon of kevra water. If you do not have kevra water, you can use rose water as well. Let's sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Garnish it with some fried onions. And now let's cover this and cook it for another 10 minutes till the rice is completely done. It's been 10 minutes, we kept the biryani to cook and I'm sure now this moist biryani is ready to be served. It's looking absolutely lovely and it's smelling delicious. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. Freshly chopped coriander, some fried onions And our Muradabadi biryani is ready to be served. You saw what a quick, easy and a simple recipe this was. Do try it, let me know and keep watching Get Curried.